This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Cause it's bit bad, she want me to back. Like tips at the front, let's go. I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I like get my wave hella quick. They think that I'm up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's at the back. It's a big, it's a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we are going to install Rain-X wipers on my Lincoln Town car. These are Rain-X silicone ones, and they're going to be pretty cool to put on the car, so let's get to it. So you're going to need a 22-inch wiper for both sides on a Lincoln Town car. The gentleman at AutoZone, and this was kind of interesting, he said these Rain-X Silicone Advantedge wipers are actually better than the Bosch ones, which I currently have on my car. On the other side, they're falling apart over there, so I'm going to take these off, and once I take those off, I'll show you guys what's in the Rain-X kit, and we'll get those on the car. So to get the existing Bosch wiper off, you'll see that there's a hinge on this side, so what I'm just going to do is kind of flip up, and then that popped up. Now at this point I can just slide the wiper itself off, and there we go, it's off. I don't want that to touch the windshield, so now let's undo the other one, and then we'll open up these bad boys and take a look at what's in the kit. Just flippity flopping around like that, then it's definitely time to replace it. I noticed these weren't clearing the windshield so great anymore, but they are good all season wipers. It's just it's time to replace them. And here's what's in the kit. So you have your instructions, a clip for different wiper arms, and then the silicone wiper blade itself. Now, if you're a Mopar person, you can definitely leave on this protector, but technically, you're supposed to remove this from the wiper edge, so make sure that you do that, Mopar folks. And this just slides off. So I'm just going to pull the rest of that off, and then the wiper is good to go. So to get these ones open, you're going to squeeze these buttons on each side and rotate them. A little awkward to do while I'm on camera, but there we go, it is open. Okay, with that open, you're just going to slide this in, just like that, snap that over, and you have just replaced your wiper blade. And just as a joke for the Mopar crowd, we got it with the guards on, and again it says remove protective cover before use, so let's take that off. All right, and that is how you put windshield wipers on a Lincoln Town car. These are the Rain-X ones, so we'll see how they perform and how they are on the car. But I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to give the video a like if you enjoyed the video. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.